Good evening. This is a final video on Scenic app. Today's video will more about tips and tricks. You already know how to use Scenic app, so I'm not going to go into that one. Number one, the very simple tip is if you are going to take a ride on a Saturday or Sunday with your friends, you do not have the GPX saved up, you can just simply press start ride as you are following them, and later on you can, once you finish the ride, you can save that ride in your folders that you have created. I already showed you how to use those folders, and that way you can have a route saved up in your folders. If you ever in the future you need to ride one of your own ride, you can use that. That's the number one tip. Another one I'm going to tell you is when you're starting a route, let's say I can pick any over here just randomly, carry to 149. Now it will give you four options on the bottom. You will say navigate. When you click on the navigate, it will give you an overview. At that point, you have an option. You can press start navigation, and basically, when you do the start navigation, it will take you to point the beginning point where to start the navigation from there, and then it will start from that location. But sometimes it could be tricky because you might not want to start from there, or there's a gas station there, and there's that area is blocked, and you're a couple of few blocks away. You don't want to start from there. You want to have your own route. So click on the start point. When you click on that one, it will give you four different options. Number one, I will find my own way. If you click on that one, nothing will happen. It will simply guide you towards the route, and once you get close to the route, you basically it will start the navigation will start from that route at that point. Start point, obviously, it will take you to the start point, and then the navigation will start from there. Nearest point. Now this one is kind of tricky. Nearest point is you are somewhere along the route, and you're like, okay, I can pick this one, and that way the route will, pick me up and then take me to that location via point, and then it will start from there, which is a good idea. However, you got to be careful. For example, let's say you are between Anderson and Richard, but you are kind of closer to 9, but you want to go toward the 10. So if it's the nearest point, it will probably take you back to the 9, and then will tell you, okay, now make a U-turn and go back toward the 10. So you just want to be careful on that one. However, my favorite one, the way I do it is I always do the choose point. When I do the choose point, the map stays like the way it is, and I can pick my own point where I want to start my ride with. Let's say I want to start my ride with from over here, from Hempstead. I will ride my own way to Hempstead, and from there I wanted to get on this navigation, and I will do that. When I click that, now it will start from the Hempstead. As you can see, all of a sudden the wires are changed now. It was before it was 5, and now it's number 1. And now when I press the start navigation, it will take me, well, I can find my own way to number 1, and then from there I can find my, I will just jump on the route itself, and navigation will start itself. Now, that's one more thing over here. Now, another thing that I want to show you is this
After 900 feet, turn right
orange
onto South
right
Maple
hand
Drive and then
side. On
turn
the
right.
bottom right side of the screen, as you can see, there's a bunch of boxes over here. When you click on the box, and this is a really good one, this is when you're riding your motorcycle. You do not want to touch too many buttons and everything. So if you're riding motorcycle, and see, after 30-40 seconds, it went back to itself toward the map, so you don't have to worry about it. So you're riding the bike, it's a long route. You don't want to have any distractions. You want to play your music. Just simply go on that one, and you can just start playing your music. It will start the music from right from there, from your Apple Music. Or if you have a saved up app there's another app that works with this. It will start the music and stuff like that. Another thing you can do is you want to skip the wires. So let's say you're riding down the road and the road is blocked, whatever reason. So now you can just simply press the skip via 5. Via 5 will skip,
After
and
900 feet,
now
turn right
you will
onto
be
South Maple
directed
Drive and then
toward
turn right.
via number 6. As you can see, I was gonna meet in the Hampstead, but now I'm no longer there. I'm actually going over here in this location, and the wires are all changing because I'm skipping locations. Another thing is, you can simply do the north up. If you do that, it will change everything on the map. Okay, so basically, what's going to happen is all of a sudden your north is going to be on the top, and we just kind of, my phone is it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to turn around because I am not facing north right now. I'm facing south. I will do that again one more time. And yeah, so it's changing itself, and now I'm back toward the north. But anyway, if there's a problem like that, you can fix it by north up. Keep pressing that one, and it will fix it up over there. Worst case scenario, you can just click on the on this north over here. When you click on that one, it will also align itself. Now the next one is stop navigation. When you just click on stop navigation, it will just simply stop the navigation. It won't give you any option of saving the ride and stuff like that. It will just simply stop the navigation. But you will still be recording it because you are still in the recording mode. So you can still record your ride, and you can keep going from there. So this is a couple of small tips and tricks that I wanted to show you guys.